Hey y'all, I'm Zion Kim and welcome back to my channel. So before we start this video, I need you guys to subscribe. I have a lot more stuff coming, so just subscribe. You're gonna enjoy everything I have planned for y'all, so just subscribe. Basically today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do box braids on your hair.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris.
Once you finish washing and conditioning your hair, you need to comb your hair out and blow dry it out.
Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls.
For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using easy braiding. I used about 9 packs of my hair. It'll probably vary depending on how thick your hair is. And Merways edge wax. Bobby pins, a comb, and then of course a scrunchie. So what I'm doing right here is I'm basically splitting the hair into two, so I can take the smallest part and put it over the biggest part, as you can see. So what you're going to do right here is you're going to take the middle piece and put it on top of your real hair. You're going to take your right piece of hair and put it under and catch the left piece of hair. You're going to take the left piece, catch the right, left, right, left, right, and you keep going down. I'm putting my edge control on and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm splitting my hair into two. Same thing, you put that middle piece with your real hair, you go right and catch the left, left catch the right, right catch the left, left catch the right. Right here, I'm just adding hair. If you want to know how to add hair, y'all can let me know and I'll make a separate video on that. But if you see me doing that, that's what I'm doing. When you do this method, make sure you pull as tight as you can when you grip them from the right to left and you catching the left from the right. As you can see, I'm pulling as tight as I can. That's how you get your good grip on it. the piece in the middle, then I go from right to left. I pull tight, then I catch left and right. I do that around the whole head.
Lady, come and let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say
And right now I'm just dipping my hair in boiling water so the hair can set.
I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip.
Right now I'm just clipping my straight ends to make sure it looks nice and neat. Now I'm getting my phone and I'm going to put it all around my hair just to make sure it is as neat as possible.
I ain't tryna mess this up, no. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my.
And I'm going to finish it off by oiling my scalp with some wild growth oil. Alright y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. I have a lot more coming. If it's anything y'all want, just let me know down below. But I have a lot more stuff in store. So thank y'all again for watching, and I'll see y'all soon.